Morning student, today we are going to start our lesson number 6, factorization of algebraic expression. Okay, let us start. Let us recall, in previous class standard we have learned to factorize the expansion of the form ax plus by and a square minus b square. The factorization of ax plus by is a into the in bracket x plus y, and factorization of a square minus b square is a plus b into the a minus b. Okay, now let us see some example. For examples, factorization of axy plus 8xy square. The factors here, which are the common factors here? In a numerical part, 4 is a common. 8 2s are 4, means the 4 is a common. We take the 4 is common. After that, here the x will be common. Then here y, and here y square means that they are the multiplication of the y 2 times. Here means the 1 y is common. What is the common factor here? 4y, 4xy. In the first term, which are remaining here only 1 plus. Here which remaining here 4 2s are 8, here 2 is remaining. Okay, now here x is common. What is remaining here? Y. Now here which are the factors? 4xy into the 1 plus 2y. These are the factors of given polynomial. Okay, and these factors are the divisor of given polynomial. If for example 6, the factors of the 6 are 2 and 3. Here the 2 into 3 we get the 6, and here 2 and 3 are the divisor. If we divide 6 by 3, we get the remainder is 0, means it is a 0. Now here similarly, if we take the product of this 4xy into 1 plus y, 1 plus 2y, we get the same polynomial. Okay, now let us see the next example. Second, p square minus 9 q square. Here the finding factors of p square minus 9 q square. Here the p square and 9 q square both are the perfect square. We use here the factorization of a square minus b square, and the factorization of a square minus b squares are a plus b into the a minus b. Now here p is a perfect square of p. 9q square is a perfect cube of square of 3q's. Okay, we take here the 3q bracket square. Here a is equal to p, b is equal to 3q. Now here p a plus b means here in bracket p plus 3q into the in bracket p minus 3q, means here the a plus b, a minus b. These are the factorization. Okay, now we see in this year, let us learn an expansion. Here we find out the expansion form of ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic trinomial. Means here now we find out the factors of x square plus bx plus c. Why we are see here this expansion is a quadratic trinomial? Because here how many terms? There are 3 terms. That's why it is trinomial. And which is the highest power of variable is 2, which here the 2 is a highest power. 2 is a highest power. 2 is a highest power. That's why here the it is a quadratic polynomial. Now we know that ax plus a into x plus b is equal to the a square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the expansion of the bracket x plus a, x plus b. In the previous we see it is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we see example, factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. Again I repeat, here the expansion means it is x plus here the x plus a into x plus b, or x plus a and x plus b are the factors of x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a b. Now here we similarly here we find out the factorization of x square x square plus 5x plus 6. We compare to finding the factors of this quadratic trinomial. We compare this with this ax square plus b x plus c. Compare x square plus 5x plus 6 with ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is a multipliers of x square, b is a multipliers of x, and c is a constant. Now here the multiplier of a is x square is 1, means here a is equal to 1, multiple of x is b 5, means b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. C is a constant. Now what we do? Now we here the a into b means here 1 into 6, 6. Now here to finding the factors of a x square plus 5x plus 6 or quadratic trinomial. What we do here? First we take the a into b. Here the a into b 6. Now we find factors of 6. Whose sum is, or we find out the factors of multiplication of AB, means here C. AB means it is here 6. We find out the factors of 6 whose sum is B. Here what is the B? Value of B? B is equal to 5, means we find out the factors of 6. Which sum is 5. How to find out? We know the factors of 6 are 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Okay, these are the factors. Now here if we take the 1 plus 6, we require the plus 5. 1 plus 6, we get the 7. If we take 2 plus 3, what we get here? 2 plus 3, here we get the 5, means these are the required factors. We require here the signs are also important. Here the b is a positive, that's why we take the both factors of the 6 are positive, and by using this 2 and 3, we split the middle term like this. Here our original polynomial is x square plus 5x plus expansion are x square plus 5x plus 6. Here we split this 5 like this. Here write the 5x like this, x square, this 5x we convert into 3x plus 2x plus 3 into 3 into 6. Here the 5 is split 5 like as 3x plus 2x. Now here we consider here 6 we write down into the 2 into 3. Now here we consider the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Here the first 2 terms are x square plus 3x. In this x square plus 3x, which are the common factor? X is a common. Now we take x is a common. X in bracket remaining are x plus 3. Similarly, in this 2 here, which are the common factor? 2 is a common, that we write down this separately. And here what is remaining here? X plus 3. In this case, you remember it, we require this 2 bracket, means here the x plus 3 and this x plus 3 are the same. If we take this bracket are the different, then our something mistake in previous step. We require this bracket should be equal. Now here we get x into x plus 3 plus 2 into the x plus 3. Here the x plus 3 are, these are the x plus 3 x plus 3, both are the same. That's why we take the x plus 3 is a common. we take the x plus c is common. What is remaining here? X. What is remaining here? X and this plus 2. Now here in the another bracket x plus 2, x plus 2. Here the x plus 3 and x plus 2 are the factors of given expansion x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x. Again I repeat the term. How to factorize? To factorize, x square plus 5x plus 6. How to factorize? First we compare with this x square plus bx plus c. After getting the after comparing, what we get? Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. Now here the after what we get, next step we take the product of a into b. The product of a into b is 6, and this the product what we find next, we find out the product of factors of this product is sum is, we require sum is, the condition sum is b, means b is 5 here. We find out the factors of 6 whose sum is 5, and the 5 is positive. That is why we find out, we take the both factors are positive, and by using these factors we arrange, we split middle term. Here the 5x, how to write here? 5x is equal to 2x plus 3x, like that. X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 2 into 3. In the first two term, which are the common factor? X. What is remaining here? X plus 3 plus. In the second term, 2 is a common. What is the remaining here? X plus 3, like that. Here the x plus 3 is a common again. Then what is remaining? X plus 2. These are the factorizations of the quadratic polynomial. Let us see the next example. Example second, factorize 2x square plus 5x minus 18. Again the same procedure. We compare 2x square plus 5x minus 18 with ax square plus bx plus c. Now here the value of a is 2, value of b is 5 and c is minus 18. Here the value of a is 2, b is 5, c is minus 18. Now here the what we take? What is the next step? What will we take here? First we take the product of a into c. Here the product of a into, sorry, here the a into c, it is a typing mistake. We take the product of x second. In the previous also, here also, here you by typing mistake here you take the product of a into c here, a into c here. Sorry, replace this b by c. Sorry, in the previous, in the next example also, again you take the this is a typing mistake. You take here the a into c, the product of a into c. Here the value of a is 2 and c is minus 18. Now here the 2 into minus 18 minus 36, means here we find out the factors of minus 36 whose sum is 5. How to get? Here the factors of 36, which are, first we find out the divisor. Which are the divisor of 36? 1, 2 sorry, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors. Out of this these factors, we choose the any two whose sum is, we require the sum is 5. Okay. Now here, which are the factors? Now here if we take the difference, we consider here the 9 and 4. The difference between them is 5. We require the 5 and we require the product is minus. That's why here you know the rules of the multiplication of the integers, which are, if we take the bigger number, our bigger number is negative and smaller is positive, then the product is negative. That is why here if we take here the factors are minus here if you take the not bigger and minus in case of the multiplication, if any one number is positive or negative, one number is positive, one negative, then product is negative, but we require the sum, is 5 and this sum is positive. That is why you take the smaller number is negative. If we require here the minus 5, then here you take the minus 94. In case of the negative, we take the greater number is negative, and if you require the positive sum, that is why you take the smaller number is negative. Okay. Now here again you split the middle term, 2x square plus 5x minus 18. Now here 2x square minus 4x plus 9x minus 2 into 9. Okay. Now here in the first two terms, which are the common factor, 2x in bracket x minus 2 plus in the first last two terms 9 is a common. Now what is remaining here, 9 into x minus 2. Again here x minus 2 are common. What is remaining here, 2x plus 9. In this way we find out the factorization of quadratic trinomial. Okay, these are the factor. We see the third number example. Factorize 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Here the factors of this, again we compare with a square plus bx plus c. Here the a is equal to 20, b is equal to minus 26, c is equal to 8. Okay. Now again we take the product of a into c. Here the typing mistake again. Here the a into c. Here the 20 into minus 8 is equal to the minus 160. Here the again we find out the factors of 160 minus 160 whose sum is minus 26. You know the factors of, again here the by observation, here the 60 160, here the if we take the 16 into 10, again we get the 160, and the sum of the 16 and 10 26, but we require both are the negative. We take here the factors are minus 10 minus 16. Okay, minus 10 into minus 16 minus here it is not here c is not minus 8, it is you take consider it is plus, it is minus. Here the we require the product is, here it is not minus 160, it is we require the 160 only. Then we take the both are negative, minus 10 minus 16 minus minus become plus. Okay, minus become plus. What we get here 160, and minus 16 minus 16 minus 10 minus 10 minus 16, what we get here, minus 26. Okay, again we split the middle term, 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Now here we get 20x square minus 10x minus 16x plus 8. Now here 10x is common, x minus 1 minus 8 x minus 1. Now here x minus 1 into 10x minus 8. These are the factors of a given quadratic trinomial. Okay, in this way we find out factors of quadratic polynomial. Okay, homework for you, solve practice set number 6.1. Thank you.